Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1970 K-20. It's got a 70 through 74 400 under the hood. Pretty good running and driving truck. Just got back from the test drive and it was an awesome test drive, so definitely check that out. All you got to do is type in 1970 K-20 Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar, or just wait till the last 30 seconds of this video to find the test drive video. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. We post vehicles every day, so hit that subscribe button. And if you like the music at the beginning, check out Southgate Production. I create all that music, and join that page as well. We're going to start up here in the front, point out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're buying from us. Coming around the front end, it's not too bad. The bumper up here has got some nicks and scratches. The front grille is in pretty good shape. It does have a little dent right here. It's just a little oxidized. I'm sure you can put some elbow grease in it, bring it back. Down the side, the tires are in great shape. Lots of tread life left. The four-wheel drive does work on this. Most commonly asked question about these kind of trucks. There's a little bit of rust down here on the corner of this fender. I will be shutting the hood down towards the end of the video, after we start it up. Mirror's in pretty good shape. Little chip on the bottom of the door here. Check everything out real good for you. Some scratches on the door handle. Seal around the back window still looks like it's in pretty good shape. Big old scratch back here. It's definitely down in the paint there. Exhaust pipe sticking out the back here. Nice solid bumper on the back. Be giving you some undercarriage shots here in just a moment. Plus close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so don't forget that. Light scratches on the bed here, that should buff out. Got a couple chips right here. Huge mat in the bed. Looks pretty good. They painted the gas cap to match. That looks nice. It's a chip right beside it though. That's just a magnet tag I threw on. Just now I realized I was driving with it upside down. The chip right there on the bottom of the door. Right up here, probably the worst spot on the whole truck. Got some rust popping through by the driver's door fender. A few little bubbles popping through right there. All right, we've made it all the way around the truck. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. You could tell someone, when this truck was made, did a really good job. This interior was probably a nice package. Go ahead, place your bets if you think the horn works. You even got instructions on your four-wheel drive. I didn't realize that till after the middle of the test drive video. And it was very convenient to have that when I was messing with the four-wheel drive unit. Checking the bottoms of the doors. This side has got some rust popping through on the very bottom. You see that? Got your seat belt, diamond plate step, carpet. It's not terrible. All right, I'm gonna jump up in here since y'all have already seen all this. Literally, jump. Make sure we're in neutral. Start her up. Gonna do the Chevy jiggle. Tach's coming up. Mileage is unknown on this truck, but I can show you what's on the odometer. Temperature was working and coming up. Battery, same. Oil pressure, same. Gas gauge, I can't say that it works. I tried. I put about $22 worth of fuel in this and it did not come up. Fan does cut on, no AC in this one. Dash pad's got a little crack right here. Windshield wipers, they do work. Horn, you ready? Did y'all place your bets? One goofy horn. What did y'all do? Look at all that. All right, guys, I gotta try to put this back on. There we go. We're good now. It's kind of funny. It does work though. You've seen it. All right, guys, hopefully this helps you out with this video. Check out the test drive for sure. Hit that subscribe button. Do post videos every day, and check out maplemotors.com. You can get finance, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Go ahead and shut this hood and finish this video up. Looking at the edge of the hood, see it does have a few bubbles popping through on the edge. Check the sides here. Coming on down with it. Checking around the edges. A little chip in the front of the hood. I'm gonna come back and show you that. Looking for any flaws here. And there. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're looking for the test drive video here at the end, y'all have a good one. Thanks.